Hey guys, welcome back for another video. We went on a little adventure yesterday and we picked up this 79 Power Wagon Prospector. The body's in really good shape for the age of the truck, and we haven't found any rust. Just a little surface rust, but yeah. Got a little dent there, but
look at these. Look at the paint still on.
yeah.
I mean, look underneath. Got a little wank in our fender.
Yeah.
Maybe we can pull that out. I think it was right to that. I don't think the mirrors have ever been hit. Got a little brush here.
Now, while the outside looks pretty good, the rats made it to the inside, so we've got a bit of cleaning to do. He might still be in there, so.
That's the reason they call them pack rats, is they
The odometer says 53,000 something, I believe. So, we think that's probably original. We couldn't see how it'd be in this good a shape having 150, so.
bottom of the doors.
Yeah.
And the bottom of these rockers. These are,
I mean, yeah. It's pretty nice. It has the 360 in it, but the rats ate the wiring and it hasn't ran in 4 years, the people said. Mouse poop. Here's the tailgate. Bought new in Parsons, Kansas. We haven't decided what we're gonna do with it yet, but first step's to clean it up, so that's what we're gonna work on today. All right, well, we got the seat out. It might be all right, we don't know. Doesn't look completely destroyed, but there's a giant mouse nest that was underneath the middle of it. Oh, yum.
packy rat tape.
Yikes. Okay. I don't know whether to get the vacuum or a shovel. Took the little kick plates off.
Really, pretty good. Look at that, there's still paint down in there. Most Dodges that ain't had a pack rat ain't that nice.
Man.
That will sandblast, I think, and clean right up. What the heck our pack rat eats?
Apparently everything. Oh, something there.
Huh?
That little jaw. Wonder what that's from.
I don't know. We spray that back bolt.
I don't think so.
Give me the ratchet. There we go. Hey, there's some teeth. Skull.
Spine.
Spine.
Hey, mostly cleaned out. Still got stuff under the dash, but it's got all the badges. It says it's a Power Wagon. It says it's an adventurer, and it says it's a prospector. So.
Well, we tried turning it over. We can't turn it over, but we're pulling our spark plugs. That's our spark plugs look pretty good, but for some reason we can't spin it over. So we're gonna put some diesel and got some automatic transmission fluid. Putting something in the cylinder there to probably maybe help loosen a stuck ring or whatever we got. Okay. The pistons must be down a ways because it took a lot. Okay, put that plug back in. Just start it in a couple turns and so make sure we don't get nothing in there. Okay.
I didn't break down this.
So we're gonna do all these and then we'll see what we got. Might have let it set till tomorrow. Engine oil looked good. It was full.
That one's black.
That's an old one. I wonder if that other one's been changed.
Stink.
It smells kind of gassy or something. Am I there?
Yeah.
Well, we pulled all the spark plugs out, filled the cylinders with diesel fuel. Don't know if that'll free up the rings or not, but we were told it's set about 4 years, but was running when they parked it. So, but it's been setting out. So we'll see if we can get it freed up, and we might see if we can hear it run. Oil is full anyway. We don't know anything about her other than that, so let's see if we can make the old 360 run. Well, we pulled the inspection cover off down here and we tried to put a screwdriver against that ring gear to try to help turn the motor over, but it's stuck. We're not getting anywhere, so we're gonna let it soak and see if maybe it'll turn over in a few days. So that's all we got done today.
Well, we're trying to get it all the pack rat stuff and poop and just everything, walnuts it's brought in. We're trying to get it all cleaned out before we get it off the trailer, so it's everywhere. We don't want it to just sit there and make the fenders rust when they're not already rusty, so.
At least it didn't eat the wire off of this one.
We got him, that big old guy. Oh man, clean, right on the neck. Oh, look at that. Oh man, poor guy. Ratican. Sure made a mess even after we cleaned it.
We're gonna set it again, see if we can catch his brother.
Just in case there's two of them in there.
Let's go put this over here in the dumpster.
Okay, well we're dumping the truck off. We're gonna try to push it off. Dad's steering. So.
Are my wheels straight?
Yeah. Okay. Keep it straight. You're good. Awesome. Perfect. There she is on the ground. We got the rat out. Put the seat back in so we could get it off the trailer. And
Sitting here next to its old friend.
yep, sitting next to this old guy. Put the muffler out there in case the brake didn't work. We might be able to stop ourselves. But all right, well, this is where she's gonna stay for a little bit. We don't, motor's still stuck. We don't quite know what we're doing yet, but thinking about putting a 12 valve in it, Cummins swap, so that'd be what we'd really want to do, but we don't know if we'll get that done or not. Or we have another 360 we could put in it, but or 400. But let us know in the comments what we ought to do with it. And thanks for watching. You'll see this truck again sometime. So, all right, well, we'll see you next time.